In just 15 minutes, you can energize your body, awaken your core, and take one powerful step toward a slimmer waist, better balance, and a healthier, stronger you. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Alternate lifting your knees while moving your arms forward and back. Improves balance, strengthens the legs, and enhances full body coordination. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 2. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Move your hands from in front of your chest, open your chest and shoulders. Lift your arms back overhead, then return to the starting position. Improves shoulder flexibility and chest mobility. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 3. Lower into a wide squat, then rise as you press both arms straight overhead with one leg extended behind on the toes. Return to the squat and alternate sides. Strengthens the legs, improves hip mobility, and enhances balance. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 4. Stand tall with your hands together, lift one knee, and gently tap the sole of your foot with the opposite hand. Alternate sides. Improves hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and body control. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 5. Step into a forward stance, lift one knee while extending the opposite arm to the side, then return to the starting position and alternate sides. Improves core stability, balance, and coordinated movement. 3, 2, 1, next. Exercise 6. Lower into a wide squat with your arms crossed. Then rise as you open your chest, extend your arms, and gently lift your gaze. Improves spinal mobility, expands the chest, and encourages deeper breathing. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 7. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Reach one hand toward the opposite foot while keeping the other hand on your hip. Return to center and alternate sides. Improves waist flexibility, stretches the hamstrings, and increases spinal mobility. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 8. Stand with your arms extended forward. Then step one leg diagonally behind while drawing both elbows back. Return to the starting position and alternate sides. Improves rotational control, strengthens the lower body, and enhances coordination. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 9. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Sway your hips from side to side while moving your arms alternately in front of your body. Improves waist flexibility, loosens the hips, and promotes smooth body coordination. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 10. Step into a forward lunge. Raise one arm overhead while the other hand rests on your thigh. Return to standing and alternate sides. Improves hip flexibility, stretches the front of the body, and enhances lower body stability. 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 11. Lower into a wide squat with both hands in front of your chest. Keep one hand in place while opening the other arm behind you. Rotate your torso and follow your back hand with your eyes. Return and alternate sides. Improves spinal rotation, opens the chest, and enhances flexibility. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 12. Raise both arms overhead, then sweep them down and behind your body while gently lifting your heels. Opens the chest, improves shoulder mobility, and promotes better posture. Excellent work today. Every session brings you closer to a stronger body, better balance, and a healthier future. Thank you for practicing with me. I can't wait to see you in the next workout.